Nothing like a nice warm fire in the wintertime, right? Well, if you want to get your Overlander out the door as soon as possible during those cold winter months, I can suggest nothing better than the TemboTusk fire pit. This is non-sponsored. I purchased this myself, but this is currently on their website retailing for $325. This is USA made, American made. It is stainless steel. It comes with a 4-foot braided steel hose and assembles quite quickly. You'll see that in the video coming up here. But I've used this many times during my camping trips this past year, and I can tell you it puts out a significant amount of heat, 20,000 BTUs, extremely well made, extremely easy to put together, and best of all, extremely compact. This can be put away anywhere in your rig, takes up no space, and I just love this thing. It has a nice high quality canvas bag. This thing is nothing but a high quality product that will last for years. So if you want to get your Overlander out the door during this winter, this will be a good way to do it. So what I suggest is take a look at this upcoming video on how it's assembled very easily, and this would be my suggestion for a holiday gift for your loved one and Overlander. Oh, it's getting hot.